You know English. You studied it. You practiced it. But the moment someone next to you says, "Hey, nice weather today, right?" Your mind goes completely blank. That's not a language problem. That's a small talk problem. And today, we fix it. Together. Welcome to Fluent Mind Studio. I'm Alex. And in this session, you will practice real small talk, the kind of English people use every single day. On the street, at work, in a cafe, with a stranger, with a friend. We will go slowly, clearly, and naturally. All you need to do is listen and shadow. Let's begin. First, what is small talk? Small talk is short, light conversation. It's not about deep topics. It's not about serious problems. It's about connection. A simple, "How are you?" can open a door. A short comment about the weather can start a friendship. Small talk is the first step in every real conversation, and today you will practice it, slowly and naturally. Situation 1. You arrive at work in the morning. You see a colleague in the hallway. They smile at you. What do you say? Listen carefully. "Hey." "Good morning." "How's it going?" Shadow it with me. "Hey." "Good morning." "How's it going?" Now the response. They say, "Pretty good, thanks." "Busy morning, but I can't complain." Your turn. "Pretty good, thanks." "Busy morning, but I can't complain." Now the full exchange. Shadow both parts. "Hey." "Good morning. How's it going?" "Pretty good, thanks." "Busy morning, but I can't complain." Situation 2. You are in the elevator. A neighbor steps in. There are 30 seconds of silence. What do you say? Listen. "Long day." Shadow it. "Long day." They respond, "You could say that. I'm exhausted." "You?" Repeat after me. "You could say that. I'm exhausted." "You?" You reply, "Same here." Ready for the weekend honestly. Say it naturally. "Same here." Ready for the weekend honestly. Situation 3. You're waiting outside. Someone next to you looks up at the sky. The weather topic. One of the most natural small talk starters in the world. Listen. "Can you believe this heat?" "It's only spring." Shadow it. "Can you believe this heat?" "It's only spring." You agree, I know, right? It's been like this all week. Your turn. I know, right? It's been like this all week. They continue. "Well, at least it's not raining." I'll take the heat over rain any day." Repeat slowly. "Well, at least it's not raining. I'll take the heat over rain any day." Let's pause for a moment. Here are 5 powerful small talk phrases you just practiced. Shadow each one, slowly and clearly. "How's it going?" "I can't complain." "Long day?" "Same here." I know, right? These 5 phrases alone will help you start and continue a conversation naturally. Let's keep going. Situation 4. You're at a coffee shop. The person behind the counter is friendly. Small talk with service staff. Natural, short, and warm. Listen. "Busy morning for you guys?" Shadow it. "Busy morning for you guys." They respond, "Always." "But I love it." Keeps things moving. Repeat after me. "Always. But I love it." Keeps things moving. You say, "Ha, that's a good attitude." "I'll have a medium coffee, please." Say it naturally. "Ha, that's a good attitude." "I'll have a medium coffee, please." Situation 5. You're at an event or a gathering. You don't know anyone. Someone walks up to you. This is the most common small talk moment, and the most feared. Listen carefully. "Hi there. I don't think we've met. I'm Sarah." Shadow it. "Hi there. I don't think we've met. I'm Sarah." You respond, "Hey Sarah. Nice to meet you." "I'm Alex. Do you know many people here?" Your turn. "Hey Sarah. Nice to meet you." I'm Alex. "Do you know many people here?" She says, "Just a couple of people. It's my first time at one of these." "What about you?" Repeat after me. "Just a couple of people. It's my first time at one of these." "What about you?" You reply, "Same. I came with a friend but lost him somewhere. So here I am." Shadow it naturally. "Same. I came with a friend but lost him somewhere. So here I am." Situation 6. Monday morning at the office. The most classic small talk moment in the world. Listen. So, how was your weekend? Shadow it. So, how was your weekend? You respond. It was really nice, actually. We went hiking. What about yours? Say it. It was really nice, actually. We went hiking. What about yours? They say, pretty quiet. Stayed home mostly. Needed the rest, honestly. Repeat slowly. Pretty quiet. Stayed home mostly. Needed the rest. Honestly. You continue. I totally get that. Sometimes doing nothing is exactly what you need. Your turn. I totally get that. Sometimes doing nothing's exactly what you need. Let's pause again. 5 more powerful small talk phrases. Shadow each one. Oh, I don't think we've met. What about you? How was your weekend? I totally get that. Sometimes doing nothing is exactly what you need. Situation 7. One of the best ways to start small talk is a genuine compliment. Listen to how natural it sounds. Listen. Hey, I love your jacket. Where did you get it? Shadow it. Hey, I love your jacket. Where did you get it? They respond, oh, thanks. I got it at a little shop downtown. It's my favorite thing right now. Repeat after me. Oh, thanks. I got it at a little shop downtown. It's my favorite thing right now. You continue. It really suits you. I might have to check that place out. Say it naturally. It really suits you. I might have to check that place out. Situation 8. You are waiting in a long line. The person next to you sighs. This is a golden small talk moment. Listen. This line is not moving at all, is it? Shadow it. This line is not moving at all, is it? They laugh and say, right? I've been here for 15 minutes already. Repeat, right? I've been here for 15 minutes already. You say, at least we're almost at the front. I hope. Shadow it with a smile. At least we're almost at the front. I hope. Situation 9. Food is one of the most universal small talk topics. Everyone has an opinion about food. Listen, have you tried the new Italian place on the corner? Shadow it. Have you tried the new Italian place on the corner? You say, not yet. Is it good? I've been meaning to go. Say it. Not yet. Is it good? I've been meaning to go. They say, it's amazing. The pasta is unbelievable. You have to try it this weekend. Repeat after me. It's amazing. The pasta is unbelievable. You have to try it this weekend. You respond, okay, now I'm really hungry. Thanks for that. Shadow it, naturally. Okay, now I'm really hungry. Thanks for that. Situation 10. Knowing how to end small talk is just as important as starting it. A natural goodbye keeps the door open for next time. Listen. Anyway, I should get going. It was really nice talking to you. Shadow it. Anyway, I should get going. It was really nice talking to you. They respond, same here. Let's catch up properly sometime. Repeat. Same here. Let's catch up properly sometime. You close with, absolutely. Take care. Have a great day. Say it warmly. Absolutely. Take care. Tigis, have a great day. Excellent work. Now let's do a full review. Shadow every phrase, slowly and naturally. These are the real small talk phrases native speakers use every day. How's it going? I can't complain. Long day? Same here. I know. Or right? Can you believe this weather? I don't think we've met. What about you? How was your weekend? I totally get that. It really suits you. This line is not moving at all, is it? I've been meaning to go. Now I'm really hungry. Thanks for that. It was really nice talking to you. Let's catch up properly sometime. Absolutely. Take care. That was incredible work today. You didn't just learn phrases. You practiced real conversations, the kind that happen every single day, everywhere in the world. Small talk is not small. It opens doors. It builds trust. It makes people feel seen. And now you can do it. Slowly, clearly, naturally. If this session helped you, please like the video and subscribe to Fluent Mind Studio for more slow English sessions designed for real life. Keep going. Every phrase you practice today is a conversation you will own tomorrow.